Okay. October 4th, 1:55 p.m. New York time. Welcome back to Winning Wall Street's Money. Going to discuss the maritime shipping stocks. If you're not familiar with maritime shipping stocks, well, some insight. Some carry cars, some carry shipping containers, some carry grains or food products, other commodities, metals, natural gas, crude oil. Yep. Huge importance in this industry. So we'll look at the big companies, very popular stocks. We'll look at the 5-year chart. Each candle is a week. The current candle will be done at 4 p.m. First one, breakaway, dry bulk shipping, stock ETF. Here's the symbol. This is a stock ETF that has several of these companies inside. So if you don't want to buy the companies individually, you could buy the stock ETF that has several companies in the industry. Here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high for the past 5 years. Here's the high for this year. Here's the low for this year. Trending down, very close to the lows of this year. Yep. And this is a stock ETF that represents several companies. We will go look at them individually momentarily. See, there's a big consolidation over here too. And this is prior support that we broke above, and we're testing it again, building a consolidation here, resting, building energy for a breakout one way or the other. 50% chance goes either way. Euro dry. Echo Delta Romeo Yankee. Here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high for the past 5 years. Very tight consolidation this whole year. Here's the low this year. Here's the high. Big difference. Trending, consolidation. Look at the trends, the price range. Huge difference. Building a lot of energy resting here. Broke out, trending, consolidation. We are still above the lows of last year and below the highs of 2022. Wow. So this was a impulse move up. Did 100% retracement, broke below it, closed above it. That's good. Tested again, broke below it, closed above it. Got it? There are buyers stepping in down here. They haven't brought it up much higher. Big impulse move down. That red candle, I consider that important. I want to label the midpoint. Potential target on the upside if we haven't tested it yet. Nope, we have not tested it yet. So we will label this. You will watch, and I will do the work. The struggle is real. Don't know if you even want to help me. Here we go. Midpoint has not been tested yet. Oh, but big dumps twice. Let's go on to the next. Eagle bulk shipping. Here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high for the past 5 years. Again, markdown phase, accumulation phase, markup phase. Got it? Markup phase, consolidation phase. Here's the low for the year. Here's the high for the year. Building energy. It's going to either do a breakout to the upside or further retest. Here's the impulse move up. Let's update some of this. Yep, impulse move up. And this here was a key level multiple times. And I'm going to keep that there, right there. I think it's still important. Multiple times. So it was acting as a supply and demand zone. Plus, we have not even tested, I don't think, midpoint of that impulse move up. I'll label that. Close, but we didn't. That means, since we haven't tested it yet, but this candle did a pullback in it, there were buyers early that thought it was a value. They bought there and it went higher. That's a huge consolidation. Go. Next. Right there. The name of the company and the stock symbol. Here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high for the past 5 years. Even this year, trending. So this was last year, middle of the year. Accumulation, markup phase, markdown phase. Again, this is key level right there. Wow, sweet spot. Look at that. Right there, that blue line. Came down, tested it, and rotated. Wow, nice. Sweet spot, if you call it. Impulse move up. Broke below it. Not valid anymore. Interesting. What's the next? Golf, Oscar, Golf, Lima. Here's the low for the past 5 years. Here's the high. A lot of volatility this year. Yeah. Accumulation last year. Markup phase. Markdown phase. Almost double bottoms here. Sweet spot. That was impulse move up. Tested it several times and closed above it. Got to remove it. It's not valid anymore. Go on to the next. Hotel, Sierra, Hotel, Papa. The low for the past 5 years. The high. Similar to, yeah, look at the bottom down there. Nice. Swing point. And a swing point up here. And another one. Sierra Bravo, low for the past 5 years. This year, made the high for the 5 years. Nice. Here's the low for this year. And look at this huge dump that went down there. Reversal coming up here. Look, green area, key area. I'm going to keep that green line and label there still. And that's where we're at right now. So it could be a potential supply area. Supply area usually means there's more bearish than bulls and usually a markdown phase occurs. So inside candle for a week, see what happens. Time will tell. And this one, Star Boat Carriers, Sierra Bravo Lima Kilo, low for the past 5 years, the high. So we're inside that range. Here's the high of 2022. Here's the low of 2023. Accumulation, markup phase, markdown phase, and reversal. Took out that swing low, that impulse move. Interesting. If you like early access to my videos, I have a subscribers page for a very tiny donation. It's a Patreon page. You get a lot more content. The link is below in the video description. Thank you as always for spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.